San Diego, something like that.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Yeah, let me go ahead and let me see what the status is on your loan here. So just to let you know, it's attempt to collect and get information.
Is it possible to I don't have to go or no?
What is it?
Is it possible you guys found it or something till right now that I don't need to do it no more or no?
Well, I'm not too sure yet, because then the person that you talked to, he was actually our supervisor. So he may have, like, what he asked, I believe. Let's see, show up an email, permission to bank. So were you?
I can't. It wasn't physically stuff. If it was on the phone, I would have done it right there on that time, because I was on I brought them on the phone like twice already, and they talk with each other. Is it any other way that I can do it on the phone or something like that? Or get a death certificate as an email or something like that? I don't know. You tell. I never had this kind of situation.
Yeah, I know. It's pretty odd what had happened, because I'm not. I believe what's happening now is that possibly they're investigating your account and see if it has gone through, or because since you don't have an account with Chase anymore, right?
No, it's like 3 years I don't have it, because I was getting a loan under that account 3 years ago, from 3 years ago with you guys. That was on the file, and I forgot to change it. I requested and approved, and they sent it for that. After 2-3 days, I was going to see what happened to it. See, they sent the money where, and I look at it and say, oh, I don't have even Chase Bank any account, nothing, no credit card, no debit card, nothing.
So it looks like because the supervisor wrote in the notes that you were able to go to Chase and then see if the funds had sent back to you. Were you able to see the funds back to you or no?
No, they don't have nothing from me to give it back to me. They don't have even my new address to send a check for me. I don't know. They have nothing from me. I don't have an account with them. Nothing. They have no way to send it for me. I mean, but they had a trace ID that they returned the money to you guys. If they would have had it or sent it for me, they would have said that. Do you want me to call Chase right now?
I was just
with you.
If you're, let me go ahead and see if I'm able to have the
if you can get it this way fixed, I really do appreciate it.
Yeah, and then after that, maybe he could give me like a little more insight.
Whatever you want. If I can, I'm not gonna just wait for it. I'm gonna give it to you right now.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna be on the line. You can go ahead and ask, and I'll be waiting for you.
Dang it, dude.
What happened?
Oh, sorry about that. So let me.
I thought you found the cash order. You found the money as a cash.
No, it's because I'm trying to get to my supervisor, and I'm just. It looks like he didn't reply to me back, so I'm trying to get his attention at the moment. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to see if he's able to either give you a call, and then that way you can have a three-way.
Yeah, of course.
Three-way call with Chase, and then from there.
Whatever you want. If you want me to stay on the line, I will stay on the line. I don't have no problem with it. 10-15 minutes because I'm doing my job too. But if you want me